Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lesson. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 7 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, Mohenjo-daro. SLOs of this lesson are change the gender of nouns here. Now look at the page number 21 of your textbook. I hope you know the meaning of noun. Noun is a parts of speech which names person, place or thing or idea like boy, girl, table, pen, school, airport, Islamabad, honesty, joy. These are all the example of anything here. It's called noun. Now look at here, what is the masculine and feminine? I hope you are familiar with these. We have discussed it and learned in your previous class too. First, define the gender to you. Gender indicates whether a person or an animal is male or female. It separates them in two groups, male or female here, the gender. Now look at the masculine nouns here. What are the masculine nouns? Words used for men, boys, or male animals like rooster, landlord, etc. Like father, husband, uncle, in animals like bull, lion, dog. These are the masculine nouns. Now look at the feminine nouns here. What are the feminine nouns? Words used for women, girls, female animals like hen, landlady, etc. Like mother, wife, aunt. For bull there is a cow in feminine noun. Lots of example we have. Now look at the common gender. What is a common gender? Many nouns are used for both male and female like doctor, parents, teacher, reporter, baby. Baby can be used both for male and female. These are the common gender here. What are the neuter nouns here? Neuter nouns, words for things that are neither male or nor female, are called neuter nouns like ball, building, forest, etc. All the objects, pen, chair, pencil, wall, clouds. These are all the neuter nouns which have no male or female gender. I hope you have a very good concept of these nouns here. Masculine nouns, feminine nouns, common gender and neuter nouns. Now let's move to the exercise of it. On page number 21, choose the masculine and feminine gender from the following option. You have to choose only these two here. For each sentence we have given 4 options here. You have to choose the right one. Look at the first one. The bride was congratulated by her friend. You have to choose the masculine noun for the bride, feminine noun here. The masculine noun for the bride here is, yes, groom. Look at the second one. A girl sat on the back of a mare. Mare is the feminine noun here. It belongs to the horse. It's a horse, the female horse. What will be the masculine noun for it here? Yes, stallion here. Look at the third one. My sister-in-law is a great poetess. Here the sister-in-law is a feminine noun. You have to choose the masculine noun here in this option. Yes, sister-in-law, brother-in-law is the right option here. Look at the fourth one. The headmistress welcomed the students. Here the headmistress is a feminine noun here. You have to choose the masculine noun for it here. Yes, headmistress, headmaster. Look at the fifth one. The waitress served the guest. The waitress is a feminine noun. You have to choose a masculine noun for it. Yes, it's very obvious. Waiter. I hope, dear student, you can do the other sentences too. Because the page number 22 here, we have a B section here. Look at the words in the box. Write each word under its correct heading. masculine, feminine, common gender and neuter nouns. All the nouns we have discussed in this lesson, you have to categorize it by writing it. You have to choose which one is masculine, just separate it in a separate column, and the feminine is separate and common gender and neuter in separate columns. You have to choose from these nouns here, like people, moon, drag, prince, bachelor, cousin, queen, honor, teacher, father. Here, the people is a common gender. It can be used for both male and female. Cousin is also a common gender. Lion is a hare. We have discussed this, a masculine noun. Lamp is a neuter noun here. Students, this is very easy for you. We have discussed all the nouns and learned their concepts. So, I hope you can do this very easily. This is your homework from summer pack. This is also your homework from summer pack, page number 10. And this is your homework from textbook, page number 15 here, from unit 2. The first page of the unit 2 here. What you need to do, you have to spot out all the masculine, feminine, common gender and neuter nouns here from this page here. You have to underline all these nouns in this page here. This is your homework. I hope you will do it. Thank you.